Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LazzzySundaze, and if it's the first time you visit my channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany. So today I'm going to share with you guys this sultry bronze makeup look using Pacifica Beauty's products, and I'm going to share with you guys from start to finish, aka from me prepping my skin, because I got some skincare products from Pacifica Beauty as well, and then to now, like this full makeup look face. I like Pacifica because their products are all 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which is definitely a plus in the makeup world. It's kind of like an unboxing video because I did not use any of these products beforehand except one because I just couldn't wait. Like always, but just one product out of like 10. If you guys like this makeup look, please continue watching. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to do a little mini giveaway. If you guys want to enter a giveaway, stay tuned until the end. And yeah, let's get started with this video. So first I'm going to try out some skincare. I'm going to use this Pacifica Crystal Lava Bubbling Charcoal Mask. It's going to get your clothes on and deeply clean the dirt and nasties off your pretty face with effervescent bubbling action. So I'm very excited. It's actually the first time I'm trying out bubbling mask. I know I'm really late to the trend, but yeah, I just never tried it before. This is gonna be fun. And I have to wait for 10 to 20 minutes. Oh my god, they bubble up so fast. I can already feel the tingling and I'm still applying masks on my face. It's going faster than I thought it would be. Alright, I'm gonna be back in 20 minutes and see how I feel. I can already feel the tingling. It's actually really itchy. I don't know what to do. I can't really like scratch it. It's hilarious. Yeah, I'll be back. So it's been 20 minutes and I'm about to wash this off. As you can see, it's been drying out. There's still some bubbling around here because I put a lot more on this side than on this side, so that's the reason. But yeah, I'm about to wash it off and I'll be back. And as you can see, my face is super clean and glowy. It's just really dry right now, so I need to put some moisturizers and stuff like that to hydrate myself. My skin is definitely glowing right now. You can see the reflection of the ring light on my forehead. To moisturize myself again because it's so dry. I don't even think I can like talk right now because it's so tired on this area. I did not get anything from Pacifica for hydrating, so I'm just going to use this serum from the Body Shop. It's called the Drop of Youth. I just recently got introduced to it. It's like the life changer. Look how thick. Oh my god, it's so jelly. I love it. Okay, I'm going to put on... Oh, the best thing ever right now. Your skin just absorbs the serum really like quickly and it just feels so good. I'm gonna use this Pacifica Ultra CC cream. It's a radiant foundation with SPF 17. I saw a lot of people raving about this online, but at the same time they only offer 2 shades and this is actually a darker shade. I mean, I feel like Pacifica should be working on that to have a better shade range other than just 2 shades, but right now I'm just gonna try it out. It's very lightweighted, so it's good for everyday use. Even though I feel like there's like no coverage whatsoever, but I like the way it feels on my face. There's a slight coverage, not too much. I'm definitely gonna use some concealer as well because it's a little too bare for me right now. So just do my brows and apply some concealer, and I also prime my eyes a little bit because we're about to use this palette. Over here I have this Beachy Punk eyeshadow palette. Here's the palette. It's really pretty. I just thought it would be bigger than this, but oh well. The reason why I really like this palette is because there's 3 colors. This black and this blue grayish color in the middle. I don't really have those kind of colors in my collection, so I kind of want to try those out. I'm going to use the shade Rebel over here and just apply that over my eyelid. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, so we will see. I'm going to apply this from the outer corner, lightly apply it to my eyelid. this color over here, the little shimmery brown. This is called Tomboy. I'm just gonna apply this a little bit on the arch of my eyebrow. And blend it out. I'm gonna use this called Heroes. This is a nice bluish gray color. So first what I'm gonna do is just to blend it over my eyelid, but just not crossing the crease line like what I did over here with the Rebel color. I'm just gonna gradually make this darker and blend it into the inner corner, but not fully. Just still focus on the outer corners of your eyes. I think I'm gonna use this pretty Faken color over here. It's also a little bit shimmer. It's just adding a little highlight to the inner corner. Like on here. Ooh, this is really pigmented. I'm going to use this shimmery dark brown color for my lower lash line. It's called Schooled. I kind of drag it out to the wing and blend it with the grayish blue color. Oh my god, this looks so good. Ta-da! As you can see, I already finished my eye makeup and I already popped on my falsies. So now I'm going to continue with my face. With that, I'm going to use this Pacifica Solar Complete Color Mineral Palette. This is like a full face palette and I have to be honest, I already used it, so it's not a first impression. But I love it, so whatever. So the top three colors are highlighters, and here is the blush, bronzer, and the rest of them are eyeshadows. Basically, this palette is like a multi-purpose palette. I'm gonna sculpt my face a little bit. I'm gonna use the bronzer. Just, oh my god, it's such a nice color. It just blends right into your skin. It's perfect. The blush. This blush is definitely a little darker color. It's more like a dusty rose color. But it looks really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this color and apply this on my tear duct. A little highlight. I really like this palette. I think it's so useful. You can literally just bring this anywhere and you don't have to bring anything else. Blush, bronzer, highlighter, you don't need any of that separately packaged. You can just bring this. Awesome. So on top of that, I also got this Pacifica perfume. This is a Persian Rose micro batch perfume. And I'm just gonna use it. Look how cute this is though. The packaging is like on point. I'm gonna try it right now and see. Oh, too strong. Too strong. Oh, it smells really good. This is Persian Rose and it smells exactly like that. I wish you guys could smell it over the screen, but so yeah, that's it guys. This is my makeup look using Pacifica Beauty's products. I overall really like it. I love this dark blue grayish color. It's like, oh my god, I just never thought I would pull it off. I've tried this kind of color on other palettes and just never blend this well. I was really hesitant to try it out, but I'm just really glad I did because I had a really bad experience with this kind of cooler, darker tone eyeshadow colors. So I love this makeup look and I hope you guys like it too. And time for the giveaway, the most exciting part of this video, I know. I'm gonna give away 2 Pacifica Beauty products on their website to 1 lucky winner. You can choose any products that you want, what are the ones I mentioned in this video or anything that you will like to try out on their website. And all you have to do is to, of course, subscribe to my channel LazzzySundaze and like this video and comment down below on what kind of products that you want to try based on this video. Additional entry, if you follow me on my Instagram at LazzzySundaze, just also comment down below on your Instagram handle so I will know. And the winner will be announced in the description box below. So definitely come back to this video and check out if you have won. I really appreciate you guys been watching my video, whether it's a new subscriber or an old subscriber. I really appreciate you guys keep watching my videos. I just feel like there are a lot more different people coming to my channel now and I'm really happy that's happening. I just want to show you guys my appreciation by giving you guys a little giveaway. So yeah, I hope you guys enter this giveaway. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!